Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is aggression, a C1 level noun that refers to hostile or violent behavior. It's a word you might encounter in news reports, discussions about personal relationships, or even in history classes. Let's break it down together. Aggression is often used to describe actions or attitudes that are forceful, harmful, or intended to dominate. For example, someone might say, "The dog's sudden aggression startled the visitors," or "The athlete's aggression on the field helped the team win." It's not always about physical violence. It can also describe strong, unfriendly verbal behavior or attitudes. If we think about synonyms, words like hostility, belligerence, combativeness, and antagonism come to mind. You might hear a sentence like, "The meeting was filled with hostility," making it hard to reach an agreement, or "The negotiators' calm demeanor helped defuse the antagonism between the two sides." On the other hand, antonyms of aggression include peacefulness, calmness, passivity, and restraint. For instance, "Her peacefulness in the face of criticism was admirable," or "The team showed restraint instead of retaliating." In everyday life, the word aggression is often used in various contexts. You might discuss aggression in sports when describing a player who is particularly assertive, as in, "Her aggression on the basketball court makes her a formidable opponent." Or it might come up in conversations about international relations, such as, "The country condemned the unprovoked aggression by its neighbor." It's also relevant in psychology, where you might hear about strategies to manage aggression in interpersonal relationships. Here are some more examples of aggression in sentences. "The teacher had to address the rising aggression among the students during recess." "The company's strategy was criticized for its aggressive marketing, which some saw as bordering on aggression." He was praised for maintaining composure in the face of open aggression during the debate. To summarize, aggression is a noun that signifies hostile or violent behavior and can be used in a variety of contexts, from describing physical confrontations to intense verbal exchanges. It has synonyms like hostility and belligerence, and antonyms such as peacefulness and restraint. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about aggression, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word aggression and share it as a comment. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and have a fantastic day.